We are going to take Easter pictures today. So we're taking the baby to the mall to take Easter pictures with the Easter Bunny. So see you guys there. We stopped at Burlington first because it was way too early. We got here at like 10 and the mall doesn't open until 12. So we have a cranky boy today. He is not in the mood. But I did get some good stuff for Miami because I'm going to Miami for my cousin's 21st birthday. So this should be fun. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. We're at the mall, y'all. Okie dokie, we're here. Let's see how he reacts to the Easter Bunny. Look, I can see it. My dad's in the way. There it is. Oh my gosh, I wonder how he's gonna be. Are you ready?
Look at that, he's excited.
He's waving to me, guys.
The reservation department. Let me have.
Big smile, buddy. Cheese. Kisses. Aww. Bye, thank you. Good job, bud. You did a good job. First time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. We're playing peekaboo. Oh, she got something for you for being so good. Only one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, we're going to get some food, you guys. We're starving. I think we're just going to get a quick pizza to eat at the pizzeria here. Blue Italian kitchen.
Well, look how cute the pictures came out.
You love it? Who's that? Mama? Mama. He wanted to go with my dad. He wasn't trying to hang with the girls. Pizza! Good job.
Hey, my granddaughter.
That pizza good? Yeah? Mmm. We're headed home. Good morning. My hair looks crazy. Hold on. So today we are going to, I have to fold all these clothes, but today we are going to the Natural Springs. I literally look crazy. I just woke up. I look nuts. Yeah, so I have to fold this clothes. I'm gonna get the baby ready. My mom actually has his bathing suit because she already, we went somewhere, so she had it. It's too early for him right now. So she's gonna bring us some breakfast and then we are going to head out to the springs, you guys. Also, I had the worst morning yesterday because I could not. Yeah, I know, gross. So I had to take some laxatives, you guys. This is the bathing suit I think I'm wearing. It says, "No one likes a shady beach," with this like top cover up thing. We'll see how it looks. This is my outfit that I'm wearing. Cute. Quick outfit. No one likes a shady beach. Okay? We don't.
tío, pollito.
Found some parking at Joe's Crab Shack, I think. Or, I don't know. This might just be somewhere everybody can park. We're here with family. And we're ready to go. Yay! We're headed out, y'all. Is that Bluey, baby? Say bye-bye, Bluey. We'll be back later. Okay. Where's Dad? Come on. Ooh! So we're just here. My mom had to use the bathroom. They have this cute little, like, play area. Yay! You want mommy to come in? Let's go. It is such a nice day today. I don't want to get the glasses marked on my face, so I should probably keep them up. I need contacts. We have little shopping centers here. They have the best pizza right here. Pizza King, the best. It reminds me of New Jersey. Well, close enough, right? Let's go to the beach, H. My brother's in town, which is great. He's back, like he never left. I can't even keep up, but he's with my parents. There he is. They have beach rentals, so we can actually rent these. Like, I think they're like $50. 20 bucks and then 50 bucks for the big can. Let's go, Mom. Ooh. It's nice today. Right? Yeah. Woo! You ready? Whoa! To the beach! You're on the beach! Yay! Yeah. Yeah, right here is cool. Setting up. You're ready already, huh? Having fun with Grandpa. Yay! He actually hasn't been to the beach since he was a baby. Probably like 8 months when he first started walking. You love it? Is it fun? Yay! Okay, we have a little snack time. We're about to get some pizza. We're gonna pig out. Right, baby? Having some cheese and crackers right now. Okay, let's get some pizza, you guys. I think we're just getting 2 plain pies. Let's see. It's for here. Yes, ma'am. It's 2 plain pies. Tap pay, yes. I have a beeper for when the food is done. Now let's go back and tell them. All right, we're gonna have pizza and head home. Thank you. And we're done with the day, you guys. Say bye-bye. We're leaving. We're going home. Woo. Bye-bye, beach. Until next time. Bye-bye, beach. See you next time.